There's Mum getting out Don Julio now.
I thought you'd open it into the cage and then it went straight in.
I am going to do. We're nearly there now.
Oh, cool, lovely.
Just go in, Christy.
There. There.
Out you go, Don Julio.
Come on then.
Is it facing it wrong way?
I don't know.
Why don't you
can't
just put the
see.
box in bottom and like walk out?
Yeah, it's probably going in.
Put the box in bottom.
Hello.
Gotta be careful.
I think that
Straight
is that
out.
the green one.
Hello. Come
Go
on
on and
then.
get the other one in. It's going to stay in box the rest of its life.
Be careful, don't come straight out at the front door.
Well, that's why you want to get the other one in.
Yeah.
They'll
Put the other
go
box
together.
down.
They'll go together. They'll love it that they're both together, won't they? Because they're obviously, well, brothers and sisters or whatever they are. Brothers are. I think one's male.
Which one do they think of?
Well, it's hard to tell one of them because they reckon to get blue flecks on the head when they're male.
Or they've
But one of them's got blue.
So
So
I know some birds you got to have them DNA tested, you literally
yeah,
can't tell.
Yellow was saying that.
You won't come out if I don't manage to open it a bit better than that, will you? Hey? There. Come on then.
Bit of an anticlimax.
Shut all them, Mum.
Oh, yeah.
I can see one of them.
Can't really see it out. May as well stop it recording. Wait while I...
So we need to see the characters and think of some names.
I thought of them there.
Don, yeah.
Millet. My arms aching holding them like this.